What is good, YouTube, and to my sneaker world family? It is your guy again, JUDL12, aka Bubba, and I am back with another quick review. And guys, before we get started, as always, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button for your boy, and also smash the notification bell for upcoming vids. And as always, guys, I'd like to thank you for all the love and support of the channel. Continue to subscribe to the channel. We're on our quest for 1,000 subs. I'm continuing to get subscribers each day, guys. Thank you so much. And also continue to comment in the comment sections down below, or check out each of the playlists there. I have a lot of heat in the playlist, not even close to what I have in my closet. So stay tuned. I have way more, guys. This is nothing. I have way more coming. So stay tuned to the channel. Big things for the Bubble Files. So as we have here, let's check out the Raptor 7s. These are your Jordan 7 Raptors 2012. Guys, these released. These were the retail price on these were $160. And let's see, I'm gonna let you guys see the receipt here. I actually still have the receipt. You got that right there. And there's your 173 right there. And these released, I want to say these were back in September of 2012. I think it was September 1st, if I'm not mistaken, but I might have to double check that. But back in September 2012 at 160. Guys, these are your 2012 Raptor 7s. I'm pulling these out the archives for you guys. I know I got people, they want me to bring out a lot of the old heat that I have in my closet. So I call it the archive. So I'm going to go in there for you guys and show you some archive heat. So the 2012 Raptor 7s, one of my favorite silhouettes. One of my favorites is the DMP Raptor 7s. Love those. And the whole part, the breakdown of your shoe. You have new book all around the shoe. Red Jumpman here. The tongue is very dope. Got your Air Jordan on all your 7s. Air Jordan there. And you have that Hirachi technology that was put in the 7. That's how MJ wanted it. Got your insole there. I've worn these quite a bit, but these are in great shape. I keep these very clean. There's your outsole there. Love the bottom on the 7s. Very dope. And there's your back tab there. You got your 23 on the back. Let you guys get a look at that. Very, very dope shoe. Dope colorway. And I know there's of course, where the Raptors had with the Raptor 7s. Duh. You know, stay tuned for that also. I'm going to show you guys how to style your J's also, man. This, I've been looking out here. So a lot of people need some help out here. So I'm going to help you guys out. So no fear. Bubba's here. So we're gonna help you out. And guys, this is and then you have got your Jordan OG box there. So wasn't anything super spectacular about the 2012 Raptors. Just nice colorway on these. Very dope colorway. And they need to actually release these again. But I know they have the Raptor 4s just coming up, so stay tuned for that. But the Raptor 4s look pretty dope, so for a 4. So, leave in the comment sections what you think of the 2012 Raptors and the upcoming Raptor 4s. And guys, I will be signing out here. It has been JUDL12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files. Lego.